Hello, this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating the CMS project for week 5. And then, so for this week, we created several of the services to replace those input and output methods. And so here's my website. Here's the document page. And as you see, it's displaying correctly. And when I select on each document, it will bring out the details for us. We switch to the messages page, and here if we type in a message, say hi, or actually greeting, hi, do send, and then we can send multiple. And right now, it's Rex Barzi sending the message. And so let's go to a contact first. So here is all the contacts, and then if we, click on each of the contact, it will bring out a different detail. Now let's go back to our message, and as you can see, the message from Rex Barzi is still here. So it's working correctly, that it should be saved no matter which page we switch to and back. And so yeah, thank you for watching.